Hi guys, it's Marcelo Bentivoglio from São Paulo, Brazil, and I want to present Project 0 of CS50 Web Development with Python and JavaScript. So, Project 0 is about creating a front end where we can simulate Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. So, let's try. First page, Google Search. I can type in a query like headset for gaming and search. Basically what I get back is the first page of Google search page, right? Okay, so let's try Google Image Search. What I'm expecting to see here is Google image page of results, right? So let's try to search for Los Angeles Lakers logo, and I get all the images available for this specific query. Okay, so let's try Google Advanced Search, and I don't know, maybe I can type in headset and gaming, where I'm expecting to find results with these words. So it must include headset, it must include gaming, but I don't want to see anything related to wireless. So I'm saying to search for headset and gaming, but without wireless word, right? So let's try this search. And what it does, it takes exactly the terms that I wanted and exclude wireless term that I didn't want to get any result. Okay, so here on the main page, I can also try the I'm feeling luck. And what it does, it's basically bypass the first page of the results. It goes to the first result of the first page of results. So it basically bypass the Google result page and go straight to the first result. And let's try that. And actually, I couldn't find why I'm getting this redirect notice. But if I click here, I go to python.org, and python.org is the first result when I search for Python. So when I open Google, type in Python, and go for I'm feeling luck, what it does, it goes straight to python.org, right? And as you can see, Google and my front end of Google, it's pretty similar, right? Maybe I could try to get a better color palette, but I think it's pretty solid. And that was Project 0 of CS50 Web Development with Python and JavaScript. Thank you, guys.